Hi guys, we're reviewing my best and worst slimes. So first is this very pearly metallic green slime. This metallic kind of reminds me about Catalia jewelry slime. And it will really massage me very well with the pearls inside it. Maybe the pearls were a very good choice to add in this slime. The last is the worst slime for me to figure it out. Okay, next is this cloud slime. Yeah, I need to hurry up to that slime. Okay, so this is cloud slime. Yeah, it looks like a glossy slime. Yeah, wait. Guys. Okay, so this is the shaving cream slime. So that's 2 reviews. Next is the very worst one. Here you go, Katana. Okay, so this is the worst slime. Oh my gosh, time is ticking. Okay, here is the... Guys, sorry about that. Here is the very most unliked slime from my cabinet. It has a really nice metallic color, but still I don't like it because it's metallic. Like I don't like this red brownish. It looks like yeah, it looks like something nobody would something that nobody would clean with. Yeah, but it's still a very cool metallic color. I'm even wondering how I even did this. Ooh. Oh my gosh, slime is sticking everywhere, and time is ticking. Time is ticking by. So this is all of my slime. Yeah, and it's a very awesome ASMR. Oh, sorry about that. I lost my face. You lost your face now. Oh, whoa. This is actually the best metallic colors, but I think it's not just good for playing. To buy. Wait. We are not saying buy yet, because you need to hear this awesome ASMR from Super Girl Slime. Wash hands, okay? Please like and subscribe. Okay. Hello, I'm just slime. Okay, put it there. In this most super unlike container. Next, yeah, I need this another review because it was just super like metallic on the hand and very crunchy. Katana, don't mix it. It's just all there. A little bit is not okay, but it's okay. No. Okay, I like this stiff texture, and whoa. And it's not like pretty. I will do whatever you do in the comments and you just need to, and I'm also gonna shout out to you.